Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone earphones on your Xbox One and stop the buzzing sound that you get. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So have you ever used your iPhone earphones on your Xbox One and you're in a party chat and your friends are telling you, hey, you have a lot of buzzing noise in your microphone. How would you go ahead and get rid of that? Well, this is actually very easy to do. Go ahead and plug in your iPhone earphones into your Xbox One and then go over to your Xbox. So what we're going to want to do is press the Xbox button on our controller and scroll all the way down. Now with the new menu setup, we have the audio options right here on the main page. So once we select this, we'll have the ability to go ahead and slide and make our headset volume higher or lower. So let's plug in my earphones right now. So the first thing we're going to want to make sure is our headset mic is indeed turned on. So make sure that's on at the top. Now scroll all the way down under mic monitoring. So with your earphones, you'll typically hear like a buzzing noise like this. Bzzz. And an easy way to go ahead and get rid of this is by going to mic monitoring, selecting this and turning this all the way down. Now, when you go ahead and speak into your microphone, you will not hear that buzzing noise in the background. So you can go ahead and use your iPhone earphones in your games or in your party chat and your friends won't be annoyed by that buzzy noise. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation and Xbox tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.